The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like...
Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video blog. The human's brain has such a structure what he can be distracted, and this is what we especially feel in winter, when everything is white and grey. Any color attracts our attention. Such things happen with our phone that is in our hands, and today I want to show how you can switch your phone or iPad to black and white mode. Of course, this does not mean what it will suit everyone, but it's worth trying or just knowing there is such an opportunity in your phone. Open the settings, General, Accessibility, and select Display Accommodation. Here select Color Filters and switch checkbox of Color Filter. By switching this switch, back you will always return the phone to normal mode. Also you can switch your phone to inverted colors. Playing with these switches you can achieve a more acceptable result for yourself. Write your impression of this mode in the comments. I hope to see you next time.